What animal is this?
That might have looked like a real-life Pokemon, but it's actually one of my favorite animals, the pangolin. They're part of the Manidae family, which include animals like anteaters. As babies, they're just cute, man. For the first 3 months, they ride on their mother's back by hanging onto her scales. Like, come on, man. When they feel threatened, they roll into these little cute balls that actually protect them very well. But pangolin are actually at risk of being extinct because of humans. Poachers thrive selling them on the black market for medical and fashion purposes. I don't know why we always gotta ruin good things. But as always, man, peace and love, baby.